Tonight for supper, we are gonna make some spaghetti. To go along with our spaghetti, we are going to make some canoe cut bone marrow. So this is beef bones, and it's cut into a canoe, what they call a canoe shape, and you've got the marrow inside. So we are gonna just put it on parchment paper, season it a little bit, and then put it in the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes. Alright, so it's out of the oven. You can see how roasted it is. It looks so good. You can eat it just like this. You can add some fresh herbs to it and just eat it with a spoon right out of the bone. But I'm going to show you the favorite way that we like to do it. Okay, I've just got some sourdough bread right here. Now I'm going to take my marrow and I'm going to scrape it all out into a bowl. Alright, so we've got them all scooped out. Do not get rid of your bones. These are perfect for making bone broth with. If you don't want to make bone broth immediately, like I'll just throw these in a freezer bag and then I will put them in the freezer and then I can pull them out and make bone broth when I'm ready. Don't get rid of those. So I've got my marrow pulled out of my bones, and now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and some butter. And I'm just going to give it a good mix. If you had any kind of fresh herbs, this is a great place to put those on, like on top of the bread. It's good. I'm going to put a little bit too much butter, but it doesn't hurt. All right, I'm going to take my bread and I'm just going to put this on there. And that's what it looks like. There we go. All right, so there is our nice, nutritious, delicious marrow bread.
I'm a pee.
Try a piece.
Get out of here.
It's really good. So marrow has like a nutty, beefy flavor. It's very good.